Inclusive Africa. Crafting a Conscious and Sustainable Unity for Africa. By Ekene Banye. Introduction. Africa does not need to import inclusion. Africa has always lived in inclusion. For thousands of years, our continent has woven together a stunning tapestry of peoples, hundreds of languages, thousands of cultures, countless spiritual expressions, each forming family, community, and identity. We coexist, negotiate, adapt, and integrate every day. That is the African normal, messy, challenging, beautiful, and real. As a daily practitioner of yoga, a discipline whose name literally means union, I believe deeply in oneness, not as a slogan, but as the underlying structure of reality. In science, philosophy, and spirituality, we find the same truth: everything is connected. Inclusion, therefore, must be natural, not forced. It must be built on choice, not coercion. And this is where our modern world has gone wrong. Over the past decade, we have watched the rise of DEI, diversity, equity, and inclusion as a political and corporate ideology in the Western world. It claims to promote fairness and unity. It promises representation and justice. But in practice, DEI has become something very different: a system that divides people into permanent groups, rewards grievance instead of contribution, and punishes merit in the name of equity. I have observed the results up close. I have seen what happens when society begins to organize itself around identity rather than character, effort, and achievement. I have watched the spread of victim mentality destroy motivation in young people. And I have witnessed institutions grow weaker, more corrupt, and more chaotic as they pursue diversity targets rather than excellence. And now, this ideology is being exported to Africa, the most diverse continent on Earth. This book is my warning: what failed in countries with far less diversity will be catastrophic in Africa. DEI will not heal our divisions, it will harden them. DEI will not uplift the marginalized, it will entrench mediocrity. DEI will not create opportunity, it will destroy merit. DEI will not unite, it will balkanize nations already struggling to hold together. If Africa copies Western DEI, we will turn a vibrant mosaic of identities into a battlefield of competing grievances. We will institutionalize ethnic and religious quotas. We will replace unity with tribal calculations. We will punish competence and reward entitlement. And we will slowly poison our future. That is why this book exists. But this is not a book of complaint or cynicism. This is a book of solutions. I wrote this book because I believe in Africa's future, a future built on personal responsibility, meritocracy, voluntary inclusion, and shared national identity. I think that diversity is only a strength when a strong unifying agent binds people together. Without unity, diversity destroys. With unity, diversity shines. I am not an academic or a politician. I am simply an African who has watched enough to speak up with love, conviction, and urgency. This book will help African youths, policymakers, activists, and community leaders to understand where DEI really came from and why it's failing. See clearly why DEI will not work in Africa's context. Recognize the power of earned success over forced inclusion, reimagine African citizenship, leadership, and integration. Build authentic, sustainable, merit-based inclusion. Africa does not need a borrowed ideology to keep its people together. We need courage. We need competence. We need unity built on shared purpose, not on political manipulation. This book is an invitation to young Africans: reject the narratives that demand you see yourself as a victim. You are not a checkbox on someone's quota chart. Your tribe, your gender, or your history do not define you. You are defined by what you build, how you grow, and the value you add. We can craft inclusive Africa, but it must be our vision, not someone else's agenda. Welcome to a journey toward conscious unity, not forced uniformity. Welcome to a conversation that respects Africa's past and protects its future. Welcome to a fight for excellence and the dignity it brings. Let us think boldly. Let us act wisely. Let us build inclusion that truly think big for Africa.